Before starting the video, I have little request to my viewers that hit the bell icon and thumbs up like button if you like this video. First of all, open the link from description and follow the remaining process. Download the EMUI 11.0.0.135 version for your Huawei Mate 40 series. But remember, this rollout is available for some users, while the other user doesn't able to use it for some time. Install and enjoy. That's it from this video. Keep visiting our channel as we deals in PC components, smartphones, cases and its other accessories.